Check out my bunny cop. Yeah, a flying bunny. You can go home now. You've officially seen it all. Follow me, guys. I've yet to lose a single pup. And I know it. Don't be jealous. Some of us get boxes. Some of us get super cool, high-tech drunk. Don't worry, you're a danger. My bird senses will warn us. Check out my bunny cop. Yeah, a flying bunny. Go home now. See it all.
What are you filthy mutts doing here? You're trespassing in my house.
Oh, my ears! These rockets won't get us cats for twice as fast.
Wait, I love cats.
Straighten myself to a rock. These rockets won't get us cats for twice as fast. Was it any doubt? I mean, honestly, this plan was crazy. It shipped to work.
This is gonna be great. You're gonna be all clean and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time.
What did I say?
Ooh, now that's enough to get adopted looking like that.
Can we take one home?
You're so cute. Please, please, please.
Yeah, please, please, please.
Beautifully lollipop.
You love me. I just did. That's all. What's on?
Ooh, high five. Let's all do it again.
After the ride, they got a lot of great gifts, headbands, hats. 18 for the headbands. Let's see, 20 for the hats, for these wallets. Trying to do this one-handed. $16 for the wallet. T-shirts $30. We got different animals. Different cats. Different stuffed animals. Carrying bags. Pretty cool.